everyone, welcome to Facet Television. Today I have this Samsung 75 kg washing machine PCB board. The problem is start button not working. So let's try. I turn on. Start button not working. Other button is working. So I will show you how to repair. Let's get started. I take one jumper from Jumper 12 to start button. Okay, here Jumper 12 to start button. So let's do it now. Okay, Jumper 12. From jumper we take one wire from Jumper 12 to start button. I already jumper. Now let's try. Okay, done. Okay guys, done ready. Thank you everyone. Thanks for watching. Like, share and comment. For any information kindly contact me. So today I fixed this Samsung 7.5 kg washing machine PCB board. Repair start button not working.